Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shafiqah Rodi. My matrix number is AP22703. I would like to tell you about this report. I would like to present you. Start with the letter of a transmitter. The letter that we given to our client to make sure that he knows that we are going to inspect his property and making our clear statement about what he wants. Okay, the term of reference, our client if wishes to file objection and has instructed our firm to prepare a report and valuation for his property. The purpose of this valuation is for revalue the property because our client can't accept the price given. Okay. We should know the difference between the market value and the for sale value. The market value is the estimate amount of asset and liability, but the for sale value is reasonable we receive from the sale of asset. So we need to revalue to find out the reasonable price for our client. Okay, our client should know the limiting of the condition that our agent as a human have a weakness, so their ability is limit. Agent will make a mistake and that we can avoid, and the price that given by our agent is different from others agent. The value can make by inspection and preference only, and we are going to make a value to inspect is start with 11 December 2020. Thank you. That's all from me.
The subject property is situated at the Commercial Centre Sinar Sentul, located approximately 10.4 km to the KLCC BURHAN Iskandar, located at the strategic location facing the main road, excellent access via the highway and next Pasar. Description: the site is rectangular in shape, area of 1950 square feet. Negative factor: is not located at the junction highway, high slope, high tension. Building: the ground floor, the main entrance is glass lock. The second and the third floor is the office, which also glass window. Condition and repair: the ceiling was broken and will happen a leaking, especially having rain. The title particular: the locality of Sentul, Mungkin Batu, District, Sentul, State, Kuala Lumpur, Tanah Freehold. Category of land use for building, asbestos condition is commercial.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NORHAYATI binti AHMAD. Number AP22703. Okay, today I want to continue about planning provisions. Based on Central Plan of Kuala Lumpur 2020, the subject property is located in a zone site designated for commercial use, which is Sinar Sentul Commercial Centre in Jalan 148G of Jalan Sentul, Sentul, Kuala Lumpur. Okay, second, for basis of valuation. For the purpose of this report, the market value is defined as the estimate amount for which amount and assets of liability should exchange on the date of valuation between willing buyer and willing seller in an arm's length transaction. After proper marketing weighing, the parties had each acknowledgeable proudly and without completion. I have four methods valuation, which is assessment rate, investment method, residual method, and the last, the discounted cash flow method. Okay, first, assessment rate. Assessment rates are payable by all residential and commercial property owners. Okay, the second, for investment method. This method involves capitalization of the net annual income stream that is expected to be received from the property after deducting the annual outgoing to the property with allowance for void by using an appropriate market divide capitalization rate. Okay, the next method is residual method. cost of development used in arriving at the net development value of the property must be supported by evidence of such costs that are available for comparable properties or by data compiled, verified, analyzed, and kept by the valuer. Okay, for the last method is the discounted cash flow method, which is where the valuer use the discounted cash flow valuation in order to arrive at the market value of a property interest, usually an investment property. The cash flow, the cash inflow, the cash outflows, and the discounted rate must be market derived. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum Prof. My name is HELENA SOFEA and my matrix number is bpe22703. So the next part I will explain about the factors considered in valuation. So the principal factors which have influenced our opinion of value in this case are: first, subject property is issued with a separate individual document of final title under freehold interest, and the subject property is held in the title under the category of land use of bangunan and is subject to the subject to the following. Express condition for this property is bangunan kediaman dan perniagaan, and there is no restriction in interest stated. And for the next part, which is valuation, we have used the investment method to assess the potential return on investment through ongoing income from a property. Under this approach, assessing the market rental rate of a property against the capitalization rate or cap rate. And the first element of this approach is understanding the net operating income or NOI, and that's a calculation to assess the total income expected over a period of time. So from our investigation, we are aware of the following, which is the sale price of the subject property is stated as 2,800,000 ringgit, and the sales of 3-story terrace shop office, each with a floor area ranging 4,950 square feet, indicates price in the region of 1,485,000 to 1,570,000 per unit in 2019 and 2018. So the current rates of assessment for commercial property are 6.6% as stated by DBKL. So for the next part, which is opinion of value, as based on the approach to value, we are aware of the opinion that the value of the freehold interest in the property described in the amount which is market value for the property is 2,800,000 ringgit, and the assessed value for the property is 184,800 ringgit. So the calculation is we have as stated, we have multiplied the assessed value, which is 2,800,000. we have multiplied the annual value, which is 2,800,000, to the assessment rate of the property area by 6.6%, and the amount payable that has been determined is 184,800 per year. So we have used the market value and the assessed value for this case. That's all from me. Thank you.